Wise invitation. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to open your Wise account step by step. The process is pretty straightforward, folks. I'll leave my invite link in the video description for you. Okay, just click the link and you'll see this screen to create your account. You can click Create Account up here. Enter your email or sign up with Gmail, Facebook, or Apple. I'll sign up with Gmail, so just click here and pick your email. That's it. Now confirm your Wise login with Gmail. Just click below to continue. Next, choose between a personal or business account. Select one of these options. Enter your country or region and click Continue. Here's what you can do with Wise. Take a look at the benefits Wise offers, folks. Just click below to continue. Now you'll confirm your phone number. You'll get a code to create your account. Enter your area code and number for an SMS code. It's a 6-digit code. Check if you got it. You can get a call or WhatsApp code instead. Now create your password. Meet these: 1 letter, 1 number, 9 charts. If you've met all requirements, it'll turn green. Now just click below to continue. Save this info if prompted. Fill in your country and other details. Then just click below to save and continue. Here, enter your residential address. You can search by postcode or zip, or enter the address manually. And that's it, folks. Registration complete on Wise. You can download the app from your App Store. Just go to your App Store, search and download the Wise app. Simply click Install. Click Start, then input your email and password and click Enter. Did you manage to register? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.